In this video, we'll look at some of the best sublimation heat press machines available in the present market to find the perfect one for your needs. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring your options today. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cricut Easy Press 2 Heat Press Machine. Looking for a quick and easy way to add personalization to your DIY projects? Check out the Cricut Heat Press Machine. This versatile printing tool is perfect for transferring photos or text onto t-shirts, tote bags, pillows, aprons, and even sublimation printing. Its large 9x9 pressing surface is ideal for generic-sized projects. So let your creativity run wild and start making one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect your unique style. You can adjust the heat per your requirement with precise temperature control up to 400 degrees. Just set the temperature and timer and apply gentle pressure. When you hear the beep sound, you're done. Plus, the ceramic-coated surface ensures even, consistent heat application. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll be able to create beautiful projects or tumbler heat press for sublimation easily. The advanced heat plate design with a ceramic-coated surface makes this press machine heats up in less than 2 minutes and can execute even the most intricate prints in about 60 seconds. So ditch those old iron-on methods and get accurate results in the blink of an eye with Cricut Heat Press Machine. Plus, the built-in timer ensures that you get consistent, foolproof results every time. Number 2. PowerPress Heat Press Machine. Looking for an easy and convenient way to produce professional-looking results? Check out one of the best heat press machines, the PowerPress Sublimation Heat Press Machine. This machine powerhouse features a patented design control chip that makes it more powerful and accurate than ever. Plus, it's safe to use thanks to its built-in safety features. Whether a professional or a hobbyist, this machine can handle anything you throw at it. This top-of-the-line machine features a Teflon-coated heating plate that measures 15 inches, making it perfect for large-scale projects. The digital control board ensures precise temperature and time settings so you can get the perfect print every time, thus the ultimate heat press for sublimation and vinyl. Plus, with a powerful 1400-watt heating element, you'll be able to work quickly and efficiently. The PowerPress is built to last, with heavy-duty construction that can stand up to constant use. Whether running a business or working on a personal project, this machine will help you get the job done right. So don't settle for anything less, and a PowerPress to your try list. And for those looking for an even higher level of precision, the PowerPress Industrial Quality Digital Sublimation Heat Press Machine also features an adjustable temperature control that allows you to fine-tune your settings for the perfect results every time. Number 3. PlanetFlame Heat Press Machine. Are you looking for a top-quality, durable heat press machine that can handle all your industrial, professional or personal heat pressing needs? Look no further than PlanetFlame, the best heat press for sublimation. This superb machine is ideal for heat press for sublimation tumblers, t-shirts, garments, bags, mouse mats, jigsaw puzzles, ceramic tiles, and more flat surface items. The PlanetFlame Professional Press Machine Sublimation is ideal for small studios and personal use. It is Teflon-coated, which means your delicate fabrics are protected from excess heat, and there is no need for extra parchment paper. The voltage is a standard 110V for both US and CA, and the time can be adjusted anywhere from 0 to 499 seconds. Best of all, the power is a whopping 1300 watts. And if you're worried about not knowing how to operate such a technologically advanced machine, have no fear. The PlanetFlame is the best sublimation heat press machine which comes with a detailed manual that will guide you through every step of the process. Number 4. TUSY Heat Press Machine. Looking to make custom shirts for your whole family or group of friends? Check out the TUSY Heat Press Machine Industrial Sublimation Printer. This machine is perfect for industrial, professional, or home use by using heat press for sublimation printing and can easily create custom products in various sizes. The larger heat press 1515 is particularly helpful when making shirts for people of all ages, from babies to adults. With this versatile machine, you can create custom shirts for any occasion. This bad boy comes with full range pressure adjustment, so you can easily adjust the pressure depending on the thickness of your material. And with a temperature range of 0–482 degrees Fahrenheit and time control of 0–999 seconds, this machine can handle just about anything you throw at it. The TUSY heat press machine is easy to operate with a digital display and has a full set of accessories. The LCD control board makes it easy to set the precise time and temperature for your print job. It has a durable construction and a warranty for your peace of mind. Whether you're looking to make a statement at your next family reunion or want to show your friends some new designs, the TUSY 1515 heat press for sublimation printer is perfect for you. Number 5. Fancierstudio Heat Press Digital Heat Press. Are you looking for an industrial quality heat press, an affordable heat press for sublimation that can help you take your crafting to the next level? If so, look no further than the Fancierstudio heat press. The 15x15 printing area is also perfect for larger projects, and the temperature range of 0–480 means you can tailor your prints to perfection. This top-of-the-line heat press is perfect for sublimation printing and comes with a cast aluminum heating plate with Teflon coating. That means you won't need to use coated sheets anymore, just press and print. Temperature and time controls are fully adjustable so that you can get the perfect results every time. Time and counter ranges of 0–999 seconds and 0–999 prints, respectively, also give you complete control over your projects, while the 110V voltage and 1400W power make this heat press easy to use in any standard outlet. Plus, with a standard grounded plug, you'll be able to use it anywhere. The Fancierstudio heat press is also incredibly easy to use and a perfect heat press for sublimation beginners. Just set the desired time and temperature, load your design, and let the press do its job. In no time at all, you'll have professional-looking prints that will last for years to come. So if you're looking for top-quality heat presses to help you create professional-grade prints, the Fancierstudio heat press is perfect.